You can find a link to play this activity down in the description of this video. This activity helps students create simple I can sentences with their AAC device. To do this activity, you'll need a computer so the student can see the activity and a communication device. On each slide of the activity is an animated picture. There's a monster riding and two things hugging. And also there is a script along the bottom that shows a sequence of buttons to push to be able to read the sentence out loud. Each sentence starts with I can and then has an action word after it. So let's see how this would work with a student. So I'm going to pull up TD Snap. So this is my iPad with TD Snap on it. And so the student would be able to see the computer, but they'd also have their communication device with them right next to them. And so let's practice reading this first page. So this page says, I can, and what do you think this word is? What is she doing? She is reading. Let's use the device to say, I can read. So let's go over to the communication device. And here's the word I. And then let's find can. It's right here.
Can.
And then looking back at the script, we're looking for read, and we start with the actions button, which matches here. And now I look for read. And a boy is reading a red book.
Read.
And for this activity, we speak that sentence out loud.
I can read.
And we encourage a student to say it out loud too. I can read. And then we will clear the sentence and we'll go to the next one. So this one would be I can write. I can. We go to actions and write.
Write.
We speak it.
I can write.
I can write. And then we clear. So there's a lot of repetition in here. For the most of them are the red action with one of the words, but there's a few that have the action and then there's a people action. So let's try and find hug. So you know where I can. We'll touch options and then look where people options or people actions is here. And then now we look for hug. And on this page, there's hug, there's laugh and cry, and those are also words that are in this activity. So for now, I'm going to press hug.
Hug.
Read the sentence out loud.
I can hug.
And now say it out loud. I can hug. And so this is an activity that's just another way for students to explore words on their device while creating simple sentences.